Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn about the hypothalamic hormones, particularly today about the anterior pituitary regulating hormones. Hypothalamic hormones that regulate anterior pituitary secretions are known as releasing or release inhibiting hormones, as they stimulate or inhibit the release of various hormones from this part of the pituitary. The hormones are thyrotropin releasing hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, growth hormone releasing and inhibiting hormones, prolactin. Prolactin releasing and inhibiting hormones. These are peptide hormones that act on target cells mostly through cyclic AMP and inositol triphosphate and diacyl glycerol as second messengers. They regulate secretions from the anterior pituitary. A. Releasing hormones. Thyrotropin releasing hormone. Thyrotropin releasing hormone is an oligopeptide containing 3 amino acids. Source: thyrotropin releasing hormone is secreted from the paraventricular nucleus of hypothalamus. Functions of thyrotropin releasing hormone. Thyrotropin releasing hormone stimulates secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone or thyrotropin from thyrotropes of anterior pituitary. It stimulates expression of genes for alpha and beta subunits of thyroid stimulating hormone in thyrotropes. It also promotes secretion of prolactin and growth hormone. Next is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is a peptide containing 10 amino acids. Source of gonadotropin releasing hormone is secreted from the arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus. Functions of gonadotropin releasing hormones are: gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulates secretion of luteinizing hormone. Therefore, gonadotropin releasing hormone is known as luteinizing hormone releasing hormone (LHRH). It also stimulates secretion of follicular stimulating hormone (FSH). Together, it is known as gonadotropins releasing hormone, as they stimulates secretion of both LH and FSH. Gonadotropin releasing hormone also stimulates secretion of growth hormone. Corticotropin releasing hormone. Corticotropin releasing hormone is a polypeptide having the 41 amino acids. Source of corticotropin releasing hormone is secreted from the paraventricular nucleus of hypothalamus. Functions of corticotropin releasing hormones. Corticotropin releasing hormone stimulates the secretion of adrenocorticotropic hormone or corticotropin from corticotropes of anterior pituitary. It also stimulates the expression of pro-opium melanocortin gene in corticotropes. Corticotropin releasing hormone promotes secretion of beta and gamma lipotropin and B endorphins. Growth hormone releasing hormone. Growth hormone releasing hormone appears in two forms in humans, one containing 40 and other containing 44 amino acids. Source of growth hormone releasing hormone is secreted from arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus. Functions of growth hormone releasing hormone is stimulate secretion of growth hormone from somatotropes of anterior pituitary. It also stimulates the expression of growth hormone gene in corticotropes. Prolactin releasing factor. The exact site of synthesis of prolactin releasing factor is in hypothalamus is not known. It stimulates prolactin synthesis and secretion from lactotropes and anterior pituitary. Release inhibiting hormones. There are two. First is growth hormone inhibiting hormone, that is somatostatin. Other is prolactin inhibiting hormone. First is growth hormone inhibiting hormone, somatostatin. Somatostatin is a peptide that having 14 amino acids. It is secreted from anterior periventricular nucleus of hypothalamus. It inhibits secretion of growth hormone, prolactin and thyrotropin releasing hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin inhibiting hormone. Prolactin inhibiting hormone is the dopamine, which is secreted from arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus. It inhibits secretion of prolactin, thyroid stimulating hormone and growth hormone from anterior pituitary. Hypothalamic hormones controls the anterior pituitary secretions. The growth hormone releasing hormone is the growth hormone has one stimulating, one inhibiting hormone. Stimulator is growth hormone releasing hormone and inhibitor is somatostatin. And thyroid stimulating hormone has one stimulator hormone, that is thyrotropin releasing hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone has one stimulating hormone, that is corticotropin releasing hormone. And luteinizing hormone and follicular stimulating hormone has one gonadotropin releasing hormone is the stimulator. And prolactin has one stimulator and one inhibitor. Stimulator is the prolactin releasing hormone and one inhibitor is the dopamine. These are the anterior pituitary hormones, and our next topic is posterior pituitary hormones. Posterior pituitary hormones. Antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin secreted from posterior pituitary are actually not formed in this gland. They are synthesized in supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei of hypothalamus, and stored in posterior pituitary. And our next topic is other hypothalamic hormones. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.